friends! Today we are making some delicious little tartar bites with your favorite immigrant chef, me. So, originally, this recipe is much more complicated than what we are doing today. Traditionally, you need to knead the mix for hours and even throw it to the ceiling to see if it has the right texture. Yep, you heard it right. If it sticks to the ceiling, you have nailed it. If not, you keep kneading. Can you imagine the mess? But don't worry, today we are skipping that fun little test. So I was supposed to use a blender, but of course it didn't work out. So here we are, kneading the mix. But I will explain briefly how to make it with blender below in the comments, so you don't have to knead it for 45 minutes. Here is what we are going to do. Toss all your ingredients into the blender. Yes, it's that easy. Blend until everything is well combined and smooth. This way, you get to enjoy those tasty tartar bites without the risk of redecorating your kitchen ceiling. So get your ingredients ready and let's blend our way to some yummy tartar bites. Don't forget to tag me in your posts if you try this out. Enjoy and see you next time!